So many of the places in the UK are now capitalising on their use as film locations. They've actually written a book, The National Trust, on screen. All the houses, all the National Trust properties and English heritage, if they were used in any of these programmes that you see, you know, the Crown, which is very popular, just loads of shows, but they're capitalising on getting people to come to their houses because it's a whole new demographic for them. It's not people who really want to see a dusty old house. They want to see where their favourite TV or film was shot. But lots of these guys do it. Doctor Who locations, Avengers, they obviously know there is an interest to go and see these places. And I think the local areas really benefit. I will spend some money in the pub, I'll spend some money in the restaurant, and I'm sure hundreds, if not thousands of people will do the same. Portmeirion, where The Prisoner was filmed, I doubt if they'd have the footfall if The Prisoner wasn't filmed there. I go there primarily because a TV show was shot there, not because it is a fascinating village, absolutely amazing when you get there, but I go there because it was used as a location. A lot of my holidays are based around locations, and I speak to a lot of people who do the same. There are so many websites set up. We visit Hoth pretty much for that reason. It's an amazing place. Certainly not going to take anything away from it, but I probably would not have gone if Empire Strikes Back hadn't been shot there. I just wouldn't have.